Today I'm going to give you 3 major reasons why you need to be investing right now. This is mainly aimed at beginners, but if you're not a beginner, you could either watch it and get some tips, or you could just send it to one of your friends, your family, your dog, whoever's not investing yet. Let's get into it. So, what is investing? To invest is to put money into financial schemes, shares, property, or a commercial venture with the expectation of achieving a profit. So that's the official definition, but I see investing as the money that you get from your job, you put back to work, which allows you to make more money, which then allows you to be financially free. So this essentially means where your investments will pay you enough money so that you can live your lifestyle. So you don't have to work ever again. Financially free, where you can just do whatever you want and still get paid for doing whatever you want. It's the dream. So now that's out of the way, here's the first reason why you need to be investing right now. Some people might not want to hear this, but here goes. Nobody is coming to save you. So take control of your own life and take control of your own finances and take control of everything. The reason that I say this is the likelihood of the government or a long lost rich auntie comes and gives you £1 million is pretty slim. You can't rely on that. You've got to do your own bidding for you. You've got to make sure that you are in the right position for yourself. And investing your money allows you to do this. It allows you to put your hard-earned money to work, and it starts to create more money for yourself. And most importantly is it gives you freedom. So it gives you the opportunity to take opportunities. It gives you the opportunity to quit that horrible job. Allows you to have a better, more fulfilled life in general, and that's the goal. But of course, nothing good that comes in life comes easy, so it's going to be hard. It's going to be a long road, but I think it's going to be worth it. And I know that investing does seem scary, because when I first started investing, I found it scary. I was like, why am I doing this? I'm going to lose all my money. It's going to be horrendous. But luckily, I haven't yet. And the reason that I say it like that is because in truth, investing is as risky as you make it. If you want to make loads and loads of money, you might have to take more risks, but you can be fairly conservative and still make money, which is great. That's what we like to see. I just realized I filmed with the wrong lighting. Not ideal. So like I said, I was worried about investing when I first started, but the more I learned about it, the more I read about it, the more I listened to audiobooks, because that's my weapon of choice, the more I realized how beneficial it is for me. And like anything, if it's done correctly, then you can get some great results. And if you haven't started yet, don't fret, because today is a perfect time to start. There are plenty of apps that can get you started literally today. So we've got Trading 212, we've got Free Trade, we've got Stake. All of these apps allow you to invest in index funds and stuff like that, which will allow you to hopefully become financially free in the future. And most of these offer free shares, so it's another little incentive. And if you do decide to get a free share, then make sure that you send me a message on Instagram and tell me which one you got. So here's the second reason why you need to start investing right now. It's inflation. Inflation currently is at an all-time high thanks to people printing money left, right and centre. You might have heard a lot about inflation recently, and if you don't know what it means this. It's a general increase in prices and a fall in the purchasing value of money. So essentially that 5p Friday that we once all knew and loved is now 20p. That's inflation. Inflation is just a silent, deadly force that almost just burns through money. So this is why it's so important to invest. It's because investing can help you protect the value of your money, your hard-earned money that you go out and work for every single day, from the rising living costs. And the third reason why you need to start investing right now is that it is better to start as early as possible. The compounding effect of investing is very, very powerful. And there's a Chinese proverb quote thing that goes really well at this point. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, and the second best time is right now. And that is what investing is all about. It's about planting a seed and letting it grow, and by the time you need to use that seed, there's plenty of apples that you can take from the tree. So here's that compounding effect in full effect. Let's say you had £300 and you decided to invest that into the stock market for a period of time of 40 years. How much do you think that would actually come out to? So here's the graph, and as you can see, it starts pretty slowly, and then after a certain period of time, it just sort of exponentially rises and sort of goes on a massive upward curve. That is the power of compounding. It's kind of amazing, really. It took me a while to even understand why that happens. But the answer to your question is £1.3 million after 40 years, which is kind of crazy. So it doesn't really take too much in order to make a lot of money. And if that's not reason enough to start investing, sorry, I can't help you. So I hope this video has been helpful and has inspired you to invest. And that's it from me. I'm not a millionaire, but I'm trying to help you become one. So, peace.